English Phrases Explained, First Aid Kit. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful phrase, first aid kit. This phrase is not only important in everyday English but also crucial in emergency situations. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. First aid kit is a compound noun. First aid refers to the initial assistance given to a victim of injury or illness. The word kit means a set of tools or equipment. So, a first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment used to give medical treatment. It's a must-have in homes, workplaces, and public places for emergency care. A typical first aid kit includes items like bandages, antiseptics, gloves, and scissors. It's important to know these items as they are commonly used in English conversations related to health and emergencies. Each item in a first aid kit has a specific purpose, like bandages for covering wounds or antiseptics for cleaning injuries. Let's see how we can use first aid kit in sentences. 1. Every car should have a first aid kit in case of emergencies. 2. I cut my finger while cooking and used a bandage from the first aid kit. 3. During the safety drill, we learned how to use the contents of a first aid kit. Understanding what a first aid kit is and how to use it is not just language learning. It's a life skill. Knowing this term and its application can be crucial in emergencies. It's a great example of practical language knowledge. That's all about the phrase, first aid kit. I hope this video helps you understand its meaning and usage in English. Remember, learning such phrases not only enhances your language skills but also equips you with essential knowledge. Stay tuned for more insightful language lessons. Happy learning!